Come around the corner. Come around the corner. Hold on, bro. What we got here, man? What we got?
Got a little special delivery. You guys already know what it is. Boy, the Vintage took the L on the shock drop.
Yes, I did.
If you watch my channel, you guys already know I've doubled up. So,
and I still got no pairs.
Zero.
Zero.
Loser. But what we're gonna do, of course, since we're in town for SneakerCon Atlanta, I said I'll bring this so my boy the Vintage can take a look at it in the Airbnb.
I appreciate it, man. Y'all make sure y'all tap into the homie. He got kicks. You know, always tag it down below. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into another banger from your boy the Vintage. You guys see, we got the homie. He got kicks next to me, man. Grace us with his presence. Go on, say what's up to the family.
You guys already know what it is. It's your boy, He Got Kicks. We're coming at you again, like he said, with another banger. And you guys already know, we already collabed once. Hey, when I came to his crib, and of course, they loved it. So we had to do it again. We are in town for SneakerCon Atlanta. I don't know when you're watching it. So, but if you see us at SneakerCon, man, you come up and say what's up, man. We both appreciate it so much. But today, we have an absolute banger for you guys, so stay tuned.
Oh, here we go, man. You guys see the box. Y'all see what's up top, man. Y'all see what's up top. The homie got lucky, like he said in the intro. He got a pair.
I didn't get lucky. One of my subscribers got lucky.
Oh yeah.
And then he was like,
to you for the low stick.
Yeah.
Got you. So and I think he went all the way down there to meet up with him, right?
Yeah, I did.
So he went out on a limb, trusted one of his fellow subscribers, and came out graceful.
Shout out to you guys too. Like again, without you guys, we wouldn't be where we are.
Facts.
So we appreciate it.
Facts, man. So you guys see up top, we got the flight with the red Jumpman right there, so you guys can see. And the official colorway reads Edge on for retro, white, fire red, and black. Go ahead and peep that. You guys see it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And yeah, let's go ahead and put them things up, man.
Of course, it is my own personal size. That's size 10.
Yeah, that's his, man. He one size button, but I just started wearing 9.5 though. And 9.5 fits way better for some reason. I don't know what it is.
You mean you're gaining weight?
Yeah, I am getting a little. I'm getting a little fat. But oh man, he already got the paper off. Hey, he got the paper off, bro.
I wanted to see the initial
man.
reaction. See, look at them in hand.
They are a lot better in hand, man. Hold on. Here you guys go, and bam, bro. Check these things out. They look a lot like, bro, and it's crazy, bro. And I said this multiple times. I told people don't judge the shoe off the pictures.
Pictures never do any sneaker any justice. I always see sneakers after I'm like, wow, that's trash. In hand, I'm like, all right, it's not as bad as it was.
Bro,
these are fire.
These are a lot better, man. I'm gonna try to give you guys as much B-roll as I can of these. They, like, my first initial thoughts of the sneaker when I seen them online was that it looked like one of those fake sneakers that they made, like, them concepts.
Yeah, the concepts.
It looked like one of them concepts that we would never get. But once you get them in hand, bro, I'm telling y'all, the quality is super crazy. Leather is nice and soft on these guys.
You got a little tumble in it. You got a little bit of old lady, skin on it. You feel me?
And then the lace, only white laces?
Only white laces. Only white laces.
That's usually how it comes with fours anyways.
Although I will be honest, man, it would be kind of cool to see, hey, my guy Jay, the sneaker guy, do a potential gray and or red lace swap on it.
Gray would be nice because you got gray on the outsole, and you got some on the heel of the sneaker as well. Right here, as you guys can see.
So Jay, giving you some ideas.
Hey, I love seeing the different, lacing, variations. But me, I usually stick to what comes in it, honestly, unless we throw in the off-white sail laces. And you can't miss with the off-white sail laces.
But you can't put sail in everything.
You can't. You cannot put sail in everything. So don't get that twisted.
And Jordan Brand's going cheap on us.
Yep. They've been doing this for a minute though. Usually get the cardboard shoe tree. Now you're getting paper. You get nothing but paper, bruh.
There's a lot of trees dying because of this.
It is. But man, you got the red flight right there, as you guys can see, with the black underneath it. And then no Nike Air, of course. Everybody want Nike Air on the fours.
But you can't get the Nike Air on nothing that's not OG.
You can't. It wouldn't be right, you feel me? It would not be right. So, yeah, man, just honest opinion, real quick rundown. It's a lot better in hand. I'm not just saying that because he's here and it is pair. Like, just honestly, like having them right here, having the light hit it, it's a lot better, guys. And the pictures, trash. Don't do them no justice, man. I'm telling you guys.
And I will say, of course, you know, you do have the little speckle of the, you know, cement on it and stuff like that. Like, you do get those little speckles, which I always like, you know, it pops a little bit because they're all in that red. And of course, on the netting, you do have the white in the netting. The only thing bad about that is, of course, over time, that white will yellow. Yeah. So the more you wear it, the more potentially it's going to yellow.
Of course, of course.
But you guys already know, a lot of us that, you know, whenever you guys watch this video, a lot of us already have a lot of shoes. So you probably ain't going to wear these a whole lot. Yeah, because if you already have the fire red.
That's what I said in my video. That's what I said in my video.
If you already have the fire red, this is basically the reverse of it. And you don't necessarily have to have this one.
Yeah, that was my saying. Like, you got a fire red 4s, which I did double up, and I sold my double up. I regret it. I know, that was stupid, bro. I said in my video, I said that was a bad decision.
Very bad. But again, to me, everything about this sneaker just screams reverse fire red. And of course, you know, you do only get the Jumpman Air. The fire red has the Nike Air. Yep. This sneaker right now in sneaker stores has been flying for right around that $400. They cannot keep them in stock, which is crazy at that $400 price tag.
But it's 4s though.
It's 4s.
I think people is gravitating toward the 4s.
But here's the thing. If you don't have the fire red, and you're already going to be spending $400, what's an extra $100?
Oh, to get the
fire red? Because you're already, it's not like you're saving $100. Yeah, okay, you're already spending $400.
Got you.
So,
okay, that makes sense. Okay.
Hey, it is what it is. But SB4 sneaker of the year. I had to throw that in there.
No, bro.
SB4
sneaker of the year. I don't even have them right now. But you guys know what I think sneaker of the year is. Y'all know.
He's gonna say White Cement 3, and of course, it would have been for me if they didn't mess up all the elephant print.
Yeah, that was bad. I had to get a double up pair.
SB4. Here's the thing: SB4. If it was available to everybody, everybody would say it was the sneaker of the year.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
But it wasn't available to everybody. Yeah, so other than that, though, Air Jordan 4 Red Cement, absolutely fire. Definitely, to me, it was worth doubling up on. 4s are my favorite. But you guys already know everything about this sneaker to me is fire. Of course, hey, it's absolutely lit to me. And of course, if you look at the bottom, it kind of reminds me a lot of the White Cement 4.
Oh, definitely. And my pair is yellow down, bro. Real quick question for the homie. He got kicked since he right here next to me. I need you to rate these things 1 through 10.
1 through 10. I will give these a very solid, I'll say 8.2 out of 10.
That's high.
I'll give it an 8.2.
That's high, bro.
Now, it may be me being biased because 4s are my favorite
silhouette, yeah.
So I'm always going to give them basically like a little leg up.
Extra couple points, yeah.
But the thing is, with this sneaker, whenever you look at the quality, you do look at the color blocking, you look at the wearability of it. To me, you can wear it with a lot.
Okay.
I can wear it with the fit I have on now.
8.2.
And to me, that all goes into it. The quality to me, I actually was absolutely, to me, it's better than the Fire Red 4. So,
the quality?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So I have to put that above the Fire Red on that. But I will say again, 8.2 out of 10 is my official grading for the Air Jordan 4 Red Cement.
I'm gonna save my rating till we actually throw these things on feet because I don't want it, you know what I'm saying?
Ew, and you know what it's gonna do on feet. I'm gonna move it to like 8.7.
Yeah, I know. Everything when it go on feet is on like 10 times better, bro. It's just 10 times better.
It is crazy. So you guys already know. But hey, let us know in the comment section down below if you have these. What is your grade on these? We are both very curious because I've already had mine.
8.2. 8.2. I'm gonna save mine for later.
Hey, and you already know, but I'm really curious what everybody, all the subscribers, all the viewers, I'm very curious what your guys' score is.
So yeah, man, this wraps up the quick early look over the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel, and most importantly, go check out the homie He Got Kicks right now. You guys already know every time we link up, we go crazy.
It's a movie.
It's a movie, you feel me? Just straight raw, you know, interactions.
Pause.
No, pause. Raw, uncut. Okay, is that better? Okay, uncut interactions, you feel me? That was, yeah, my bad. You know how it goes. Straight uncut, I don't care, you know what I'm saying? No edits, we're gonna do as least edits as we can. You're gonna hear everything, you feel me? Pause, that's the most important one right now. Pause, bro, pause. Go subscribe to the homie. We gonna get out of y'all here. I love y'all guys. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace. Well, you a fool, boy.